Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
An LLC is a limited liability company. It's a business structure that combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Think of it as the best of both worlds. In simpler terms, an LLC creates a legal shield between your business and your personal assets. This means that if your business faces lawsuits or debts, your personal belongings like your house, car, and savings are generally protected. Starting an LLC is like giving your business its own unique identity, separate from you. This separation is crucial for safeguarding your personal finances and building a solid foundation for your reselling venture. Reselling is a fantastic way to be your own boss and make money. Whether you're flipping furniture, vintage clothes, or collectibles, it's a hustle that can pay off big time. But before you dive headfirst into the world of buy low, sell high, it's smart to consider protecting yourself and your profits. An LLC can be a game changer for resellers, especially if you're serious about growing your business. It provides a safety net, shielding your personal assets from business liabilities. Imagine this. A customer gets injured by a product you resold. Without an LLC, you could be held personally liable. With an LLC, the liability typically stops at your business assets. That peace of mind alone is worth considering. Plus, an LLC can make your reselling business appear more legitimate to customers and suppliers. Let's face it, in business, you've got to protect your hard-earned money. Every dollar counts, and safeguarding your finances is crucial for long-term success. That's where the beauty of an LLC or limited liability company comes in. It's a popular choice for many entrepreneurs and small business owners. Its main perk is liability protection. This is a game changer for anyone looking to separate their personal and business assets. This means your personal assets, like your home and savings, are generally safe from business debts and lawsuits. It's like having a protective shield around your personal wealth. Imagine a customer tripping over a box in your storage unit and suing you. Accidents happen, and when they do, you want to be prepared. With an LLC, they'd typically only be able to go after your business assets, not your personal ones. This separation can provide peace of mind and financial security. But wait, there's more. LLCs also offer tax advantages. This can be a significant benefit when it comes to managing your business finances. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship or partnership, avoiding the double taxation of a corporation. This flexibility allows you to optimize your tax strategy. This means you only pay taxes once on your personal income. It simplifies the tax process and can save you money. Plus, LLCs offer flexibility in how you structure your business. This can be particularly advantageous as your business grows and evolves. You can have multiple owners, called members, and distribute profits and losses in a way that suits your needs. This can be tailored to fit your business model and goals. This flexibility makes an LLC a great option for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to larger partnerships. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, an LLC can provide the structure and protection you need. Setting up an LLC is also relatively straightforward. You can often complete the necessary paperwork online or with the help of a legal professional. Once established, an LLC can help you focus on what you do best, growing your business and achieving your goals. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your personal assets are protected allows you to take calculated risks and innovate. Additionally, having an LLC can enhance your business's credibility. It shows that you are serious and committed, which can attract investors, partners, and customers. In summary, the perks of an LLC are numerous. From liability protection and tax advantages to flexibility and credibility, an LLC can be a powerful tool in your business arsenal. So, if you're considering starting a business or looking to restructure, an LLC might just be the perfect fit for you. Take the time to explore this option and see how it can benefit your unique business needs. Section 4. Building your business fortress. Setting up your LLC. Forming an LLC is like building a fortress around your business, and it's easier than you think. An LLC, or limited liability company, provides a shield that protects your personal assets from business liabilities. This means that if your business faces any legal issues or debts, Your personal belongings like your house or car are generally safe. First things first, you need a catchy and memorable name that reflects your brand. This name will be the cornerstone of your business identity, so take your time to brainstorm and choose wisely. Make sure the name is unique and not already in use by another business in your state. Once you've got that, it's time to file the necessary paperwork with your state. This step is crucial as it officially registers your business and makes it a recognized entity. The paperwork typically includes your business name, address, and the names of the LLC members. This usually involves filing articles of organization and paying a filing fee. The articles of organization are a set of formal documents filed with a government body to legally document the creation of an LLC. The filing fee varies from state to state, so be sure to check the specific requirements for your location. Don't let the paperwork scare you. It might seem daunting at first, but breaking it down into smaller steps can make it more manageable. Plus, there are plenty of resources available to help you through the process. You can easily find step-by-step guides and resources online. Websites like the Small Business Administration, SBA, offer comprehensive guides that can walk you through each step of the process. There are also numerous online platforms that specialize in business formation services. Some states even offer online filing options, making the process a breeze. Online filing can save you time and effort, allowing you to complete the necessary forms from the comfort of your home or office. Just follow the prompts and fill in the required information. Once your LLC is formed, be sure to obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally in your state. These licenses and permits vary depending on your industry and location, so it's important to research what's required for your specific business. Remember, rules and regulations vary from state to state. Each state has its own set of laws governing LLCs, so make sure you're familiar with the regulations in your state. This will help you avoid any legal issues down the road. So, do your homework or consult with a legal professional to ensure you're following your state's specific requirements. A lawyer can provide valuable guidance and help you navigate the complexities of forming an LLC, ensuring that everything is done correctly and efficiently. Section 5. The price of protection, LLC costs. Now let's talk about the costs involved in setting up and maintaining an LLC. The initial filing fees vary by state, ranging from as low as $50 to a few $100s. Think of it as an investment in your business's future. On top of the initial filing fee, there are ongoing costs to keep in mind. These typically include annual fees, which again vary by state. Some states also require LLCs to file annual reports, which may come with additional fees. It's essential to factor in these costs when deciding if an LLC is right for you. But remember, the protection and peace of mind an LLC provides can often outweigh the expenses. Section 6. LLC versus the rest. Finding the right fit for your business. An LLC is a popular choice, but it's not the only option. When deciding on the best structure for your business, it's crucial to understand the various types available and what each one entails. Sole proprietorships are easy to set up but offer no liability protection. This means that if your business incurs debt or faces legal action, your personal assets could be at risk. It's a straightforward option, ideal for those who want to start small and keep things simple. Partnerships are similar but involve 2 or more owners. This structure allows for shared responsibility and resources, but it also means shared liability. If one partner makes a mistake, all partners are held accountable. It's essential to have a clear agreement in place to outline each partner's role and responsibilities. Corporations offer the most liability protection, but are more complex and expensive to form and maintain. They require a more formal structure, including a board of directors, regular meetings, and detailed record keeping. However, they also provide benefits like easier access to capital and the ability to issue stock. So, how do you choose the right fit for your reselling business? The decision depends on several factors, including the nature of your business, your long-term goals, and your personal circumstances. Consider your risk tolerance, future growth plans, and tax implications. Each business structure has different tax obligations and benefits. For instance, sole proprietorships and partnerships typically have pass-through taxation, meaning the business income is reported on your personal tax return. Corporations, on the other hand, are taxed separately from their owners. If you're just starting out and testing the waters, a sole proprietorship might suffice. It's the simplest and least expensive option, allowing you to focus on building your business without worrying about complex legal requirements. But as your business grows and you start taking on more significant risks, an LLC offers a valuable layer of protection. It combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship with the liability protection of a corporation, making it a popular choice for many small business owners. If you're unsure, consult with a legal or financial professional to determine the best structure for your specific needs. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation, helping you make an informed decision that will support your business's success in the long run. Remember, the right business structure can provide a solid foundation for your business, helping you manage risks, plan for growth, and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Take the time to evaluate your options and choose the one that best aligns with your vision for the future. Section 7. The final word. Is an LLC right for you? Starting and running a successful reselling business takes guts, determination, and a whole lot of hustle. But it's equally important to protect yourself and your hard-earned profits. An LLC offers that protection, shielding your personal assets from business liabilities and providing potential tax advantages. While setting up and maintaining an LLC involves some costs and paperwork, the peace of mind and credibility it provides can be invaluable. Ultimately, the decision of whether to form an LLC is a personal one. Carefully weigh the benefits against the costs, consider your risk tolerance, and don't hesitate to seek expert advice to make the best choice for your reselling journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the business world, a little protection can go a long way.